Insurance operations might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about a career in insurance, but it's one of the most critical areas in the industry. Behind every policy, claim, and customer interaction, there's an entire operations team working to ensure everything runs smoothly. So, what exactly is insurance operations? What are the key roles? And what skills do you need to break in? Let's dive in. Insurance operations cover a wide range of functions that support the underwriting, claims, policy servicing, and customer experience. These teams keep insurers, brokers, and agencies running efficiently while ensuring compliance with industry regulations. Some of the key roles in insurance operations include policy administration, claims processing, compliance, customer service, and technology integration. Policy administrators handle policy issuance, endorsements, and renewals, ensuring accuracy and compliance with underwriting guidelines. Claims operations teams support adjusters by managing claims intake, coordinating documentation, and facilitating faster settlements. There's also growing demand for data analysts and process improvement specialists who use automation and AI-driven tools to improve efficiency. In today's digital world, insurance companies are constantly looking for ways to streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks, and enhance the customer experience. And that's where operations professionals come in. So what skills do you need to break into insurance operations? Strong attention to detail, analytical thinking, and problem-solving are key. Many roles also require technical proficiency, whether it's working with policy management software, claims automation tools, or CRM platforms. Experience in customer service, project management, or business process optimization can also be a great way to transition into an insurance operations role. For those looking to break into insurance operations, there are multiple entry points. Some professionals start in customer service or administrative roles, while others come from backgrounds in finance, data analytics, or compliance. As companies continue to modernize their operations, there's also increasing demand for those with expertise in process automation, digital transformation, and AI-driven decision-making. Looking ahead, the future of insurance operations will be heavily influenced by technology and automation. Companies are investing in workflow automation, robotic process automation, and AI-powered customer support tools. But even with all these advancements, human expertise will remain essential, especially for complex claims, compliance oversight, and customer interactions that require a personal touch. If you're interested in a dynamic career that blends technology, process management, and insurance expertise, breaking into insurance operations could be the perfect fit. And the best part, it opens doors to roles in underwriting, claims, technology, and risk management, providing endless opportunities for career growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into careers in the insurance industry. See you next time.